Hey everybody, this is the Dashboard, and this time we're coming to you from the Connect Cruisers Car Show at the Connect Church in Jacksonville, Florida. And this is the Car Show Cam. This was an awesome show. It was a first time show. Had a lot of awesome cars out there. Several different cars out there this time around. So here's the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
We're awful early.
Yeah, I know.
This'll be it. Visitor parking.
Morning.
Morning.
You have a great day. You too. Take care.
He's waving you on. You might want to ask him where we're supposed to park.
Alright. Hey. Alright, thank you.
People just stand everywhere.
Yeah.
You too.
Tim Jones to the sound booth. Oh, I'm already here. Let's go.
I bet Jeff's at Hilliard. Since Greg and Gordy were both here.
Maybe.
Yeah.
You can just leave that on there if you want.
Alright.
For now. I'm not going to use it in Hilliard, but... If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.